Bulbs sold separately. Made of high-quality materials. Made in Taiwan. The elegant smoothness of the headlights will surely give your car a modern look. Package dimensions: 8L×8WX5H inches. Top reviews from the United States. Just get them. Very easy to install. The LED light retainer is a bit light duty but should work for now. Bulbs went in easy and fit just fine. Truck they went in will be done in the next week or two, so I haven't had them out at night. But, they are much brighter than the T3s I had in there. My only regret was not buying 8 more for other cars I have. Now the price has gone way up, so I'll hold off and hope the price goes back to normal.